Well, they say you can't make a silk purse out of a sow's ear. That's right, isn't it? I want to say polish a turd, but probably YouTube will kick me off for that. If you haven't seen the video already, this is a garage find Proton. It's an L-Reg, and it's one that was looking a little bit sorry for itself about 20 odd minutes ago. I've given it a quick wash off, a rinse off, just to have a look at what it's like underneath, and comes up all right. Looks quite nice in the silver. But I've had a good look underneath it. There are so many holes. It's going to need hours and hours of welding. All the strut top mounts here are rotted through on both sides. So she's going to be going to the scrapyard in the sky. In fact, it'll end up being bang erased, and I know a lot of people will shout at me for that. But it won't be bang erased like this. I'm going to save all the parts off it. There'll be things that I'll take off, such as door handles, wing mirrors, interior trim, this sort of trim as well, and the moulding at the back. But I did promise the original seller if I could get it back on the road, I certainly would. The honest answer is sadly not. But wanted to give you that update in regards to the car. I haven't done anything to the interior, but if you haven't looked at the interior yet, the interior is quite nice. The back seats are good, the door cards are good, so I'll be saving all those, and the seats as well, so it won't be going to waste. I'll certainly be putting it to good use, and if you need any bits, please let me know, either via the comments or find me on the Twitter, Instagram or Facebook. But that's just a quick update for you, really, in regards to what's going to happen to this car. Shame, right? I feel a little bit saddened by it, but this is the one that has been stood the longest unloved. We shall see what happens. Till next time, if you enjoy the video, thumbs up, subscribe, like, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and the TikToks as well. Take care. Goodbye.